Okay, in this lesson we are using a compound interest formula this time, and you can see that this formula is a little bit more confusing than our simple interest one, but what it saves us is a lot of time, because if we had to do a table for, say, this example down here where we have 15 years worth of compounding interest, it might take a bit too long, so we need to go nice and quickly with our compound interest formula. Now there's a few parts to this compound interest formula, and this is a new one that we haven't seen before, and we just say A for amount, but really I want you to think of it as total amount, okay? Because what we find when we use our compound interest formula is a total. All right, P is once again for principal. I don't know what's going on with my camera, guys, sorry, it's very fuzzy today, bit annoying. Our R is for rate, and our T is once again for time in years. Our rate is all going to stay as a percentage this time as well. Okay, let's have a go at using it. We're doing the same example we did with our table, so we will hope that we are getting the same answer. All right, our total amount is going to equal our principal amount multiplied by 1, that's a 1, plus our rate divided by 100 to the power of T. All right, so it's a power this time. We're going to have to practice doing that on our calculators. All right, so our principal is 5,000 multiplied by 1 plus 5 divided by 100 to the power of, how many years? It was 4 years. Okay, I'm going to put this into the calculator, and you watch me because I have quite a number of brackets that I like to put in to make sure we're being accurate. So 5,000 multiplied by bracket 1 plus 5 divided by 100 bracket. Up here is our to the power button. It's an X with a little square, to the power of 4. Now, our value comes out very quickly, and it just says 6077.53, and this is our total amount in dollars of what our bank account would be worth after the 4 years. Now, if we have a look back at our example from before, after the 4 years we found that it was 6077.54, and that's fine because we just have missed a little bit in the rounding in our tables, but this is our most accurate one. So let's give it another go with a different example, this time a much longer example where we wouldn't want to do the tables because it would take too long. So let's go. Our total amount is equal to our principal times 1 plus our rate divided by 100 to the power of T, or our time. So our principal this time is $6,500 multiplied by 1 plus a rate of 7% to the power of 15. So it's 15 years worth this time. Okay, back to the calculator. Let's go. 6500. Sorry guys, I'll focus it again. It's not having a fun time. Okay, multiplied by bracket 1 plus 7 divided by 100 bracket to the power of 15. Okay, our answer here is in dollars. It is 17933.7, and we'll round 0.71. That means after 15 years, this is how much money would be in our bank account if we started off with this amount in here. Now, keeping in mind what we found at the end of this is a total amount. It is not how much interest we've earned. So let's actually find that, because in this case, interest will be our total, or our A value, take away the amount we started with. So in this case, it's going to be, we're a bit fuzzy again, I'm really sorry. 6077.53, take away our initial value, which was 5,000, and that's going to give us $1,077.53. Remember, these are all dollar values. And down here, a bit different again, interest equals A take P All right, our total value, take away our initial value or our principal. So that will be 17,933.71, take away our 6500, which will, I'll do this one on the calculator. 17,900. Right, and that will give us $11,433.71. So what that's saying is, if you leave $6,500 in a bank account with a 7% interest rate for 15 years without touching any of it, you will come out with $11,433.71 of free money, or the interest, and end up with this much as your total. So we have to be very careful when we're using this formula, okay, because it's nice and speedy, but we do have to make sure we have everything in its right place when we type it into the calculator.